welcome back once again. In this video, let us quickly discuss how to complete RUBI KYC verification and the latest listing update you need to know about this project. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end. Okay, as you can see, this is my interface of the mining app, and I don't have much here. And before you be able to complete RUBI KYC verification, one of the criteria is that you must have at least 5 RUBI in your account for the past 30 days. Okay, and for you to have this is that if you don't have it currently, you can copy your receiving address, which is this one, send to your friends or anyone you know that can assist you with 5 rubies, and the person must have completed his own KYC verification so that he can now send you his own verified ruby. When that is done, the next thing you are going to do is this. As you can see, I'll copy this address now and I'm sending to my friend so that he can send me the 5 rubies. So the next thing you're going to do is to come to my info here, and you make sure everything here tallies with what is on your ID card, most especially your last name, your first name, your gender, date of birth, and phone number. Even your country should be the one that are currently available on the card you want to use. And you can use 2 cards. Number 1 is national ID card, and secondly is passport. Okay, anyone you have available is okay. So the next thing you are going to do is this. You make sure your RUBI app is up to date. Okay, that is, if it is not up to date, you have to go to Google Play Store and search RUBI and make sure you update the app. Now we're going to start. So to start, is very simple. We're going to click on user verification. After clicking on user verification, it will take you to this place, and what we are going to do now is to click on KYC not verified, and it's going to take us to this place, okay, which is welcome to RUBI, this and this and this and this. So we have to read everything, and the next thing is to click on continue. Okay, so guys, the next step is this minus commitments. For you to complete your KYC on RUBI, number 1, you must complete ownership information over 30 days. I have done that. Exploit at least 30 RUBI. I have done that. I receive invitation from KYC 1.5. I have done that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is you make sure everything here is marked. When you see them marking blue, that means you are good to go, and you are going to click on continue. After clicking on continue, it is going to take you to this place, which is the agreement. You make sure you read the agreement and click on agree here, which is the down here. Then after that, you are going to click on continue. Then it is going to take us to the next step, which is please select your priority level, then proceed to make a reservation to continue KYC. So here you are going to select 4 RUBI, because which is the one that have the fastest verifying time and allows resubmission 5 times. Okay, that is, in case you have any mistake, you can update it 5 times. This one is 4 times. This one is just 2 times. Okay, and the verification time is just 4 hours for this one. Okay, and the queue is just less than 100 for this one. But for this one, the verification hours take up to 3 days, and this one take up to 7 days. So you are going to select the first one, which is 4 RUBI. Then you click on continue. Then you click on make a reservation. Then guys, it's going to take you to this place. You make sure everything here is correct. So after you make sure everything here is correct, including the QR code and the wallet address down there, then you are going to click at the bottom of the screen there, which is checkout. Okay, after that, it's going to show you this destination, and you will see your wallet address here and message. You can send them any message you want, for instance KYC, and the next thing you are going to click on transfer. Okay, finally you will see transfer at the bottom of the screen there, which is this one. Click on it, and as you can see right here guys, amazing success, you have successfully paid the KYC booking fee. Please press KYC now to continue. So I'm now going to click on KYC now. Okay, and here you just need to read this. Why need KYC? RUBI is a community project based on consensus by real users, so KYC is mandatory and will help RUBI ensure the following benefits. Okay, you just have to read everything and just click on continue. Okay, so at the bottom of the screen, you are going to either select national ID card or you select your passport. For instance, let me just select passport. Okay, and I'm going to click on continue. So you just have to read this notice, and finally just click on got it. Okay, And here are the informations you are going to enter if you click on the ID information. The first one is a document ID number. You have to write it here. Your full name. You have to write the full name that is on your ID card, and the same thing as the full name that is on your RUBI. And you enter your date of birth. You select your gender, which is either male or female. And here you select your nationality, that is your country. And finally, you select the place of origin, that's where you were born. Okay, then the next thing is to click on next. And guys, the final stage here is to enter your ID card pictures. Okay, the portrait picture of your ID. In this place, you have to click on it and snap the front, and here you have to click on it and snap the back of the ID. Okay, to ensure that you are the real owner of the ID. Okay, and as you can see right here, I've completed the activities, and it shows solution worldwide KYC version 1.5 waiting for approval. Okay, and it is taking less than 4 hours to be approved. Okay, so the next thing is, when you come back to your KYC on your profile or verification info, now it will now be showing request sent, and we are now waiting for the approval of the KYC. And guys, as you can see right here, after some time, after less than 1 hour, it is now showing what? Verified. Do you understand? And successfully we have completed our KYC verification on RUBI. So guys, that is it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.